Narcissists are difficult to deal with because they don't respect anyone else's opinions or feelings. They are incredibly stubborn and hard to please. It takes a lot of energy and effort to get them on your side, but once you do, they'll eventually treat you better and respect you. Here are 10 tips to make the narcissist respect you. Number 1. Respect yourself first. You shouldn't expect other people to treat you any differently than they treat themselves or others around them. The best way to make a narcissist respect you is to first respect yourself. This means you must believe in your value and not just hope that someone else will see it for you. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will either. Narcissists are masters of manipulation and will use any means at their disposal to get what they want. If you're unsure how to handle a narcissist in your life, start by respecting yourself first. Make it clear that you expect respect from others. And don't let anyone take it away from you if they don't show it. You are the only one who can do that for you. Number 2. Understand that they aren't capable of respect. Narcissists don't know how to show respect, so you must teach them. You have to make it clear that you deserve to be respected and show them how to treat you like a human being. If you're in a relationship with a narcissist, it's easy to feel like you're the only one who thinks this way. It's also easy to think that if your partner just understood how important your needs are, they'd be able to treat you better. But it never works that way. Narcissists can't respect anyone, not even themselves. Accept the reality that they are incapable of respect and quit distorting it to fit a fantasy. The good news is that this doesn't mean you must do everything for yourself forever, just because narcissists can't respect you. It means that you just need to take a step back and realize that there are certain things that you can do for yourself and other things that both of you should do together. Number 3. Show them how valuable you are. Narcissists are often attracted by people willing to put themselves out there, especially when they're in a position of power or authority. You can do this by showing the narcissist that you make an effort to care for yourself and that you don't just accept everything they throw at you. If you want to make a narcissist respect you, show them how valuable you are. If they say something mean or hurtful, respond with kindness and understanding. If they ask for something unreasonable, let them know it won't happen. When they try to take advantage of your vulnerability or push their agenda on you, stand up for yourself and tell them how important your boundaries are. A narcissist will only respect someone who has done something remarkable or special. It may be someone who has already made an impression on their world. So what can you do to make an impression and be valuable? Believe that you are enough by yourself. If you can do that, anyone else will value you for who you are. Number 4. Be self-assured and confident. Narcissists are incapable of empathy, so they will always be threatened by someone who can look at them in the eye and tell them that they have no idea what they're talking about. Narcissists will also be intimidated by someone confident and self-assured, someone who doesn't need the approval of others to feel good about themselves. A narcissist can't easily manipulate or control you when you're confident. Number 5. Treat them with respect. One of the most important things that you can do to make a narcissist respect you is treat them with respect. It's not enough to simply be nice. You have to act like they're a good person too. Narcissists are often treated poorly by others, so if you want to get on their good side, treat them as though they deserve it. If you see them in public and don't say hello or offer them spare change, don't be surprised when they choose not to acknowledge your existence anymore. Try being friendly when they're around and being respectful in other ways. Number 6. Maintain emotional distance. The best way to make a narcissist respect you is to maintain emotional distance. You should never allow yourself to become emotionally intimate with a narcissist. This will empower them and make them more likely to try and control you. The best way to keep yourself from being dominated is by maintaining emotional distance between the two of you at all times. Avoid playing the narcissist's games. Narcissists play dirty cards whenever you try to defend yourself from their tactics. They'll make everyone think that you are the bad person, turning the blame on you. Number 7. Sustain your independence. Narcissists are attracted to people who are dependent on them. They will try to take advantage of you if you let them. So instead of making a narcissist feel important, focus on being independent and self-sufficient. You can do this by finding hobbies, spending time with friends, or taking classes that interest you. Even if they don't seem like they'll make much money. You can learn to make a narcissist respect you by sustaining your independence. Maintain your personal boundaries and don't let a narcissist threaten or use their power to make you feel insecure. This will help them realize that they do not need to control every aspect of their life and that they don't have the right to tell you what to do every time. Number 8. Set boundaries with a narcissist. The first step to getting a narcissist to respect you is to set boundaries with them. You must be willing to let go of the narcissist's ideas and demands and make your own decisions about what you want out of life. Remember that saying no isn't a sign of weakness or lack of self-respect. It is rather an expression of self-determination. Narcissists don't like this kind of self-sufficiency. It makes them feel vulnerable and weak, so be careful. Narcissists thrive on control and attention. When they feel like they're losing their ability to control you, they'll do things like getting aggressive with you. Stop returning their calls or texts, or ignore their attempts to engage in conversation. They'll also start acting cold and distant towards you, often without explanation. Number 9. Stand firm to your needs. If you want a narcissist to respect you, learn to stand firm to your needs. Be honest and open with them about your feelings and needs, even if there are times when they don't seem to listen or care. Even if a narcissist cares only about their needs, you should always express your feelings and needs. Remember, prioritize yourself first. If you cannot express what you need from someone, then they may not be able to understand what makes you happy and satisfied. With this, narcissists will take advantage of this misunderstanding by making decisions for both of you without your consent. Number 10. Spend time around people who do respect you. Narcissists can be hard to deal with. They're typically self-centered and don't see the value in other people or their feelings. If you want to gain respect from a narcissist, it might help you spend time around people who respect you. When someone respects you, they see your value in the world and recognize your worth as a person. Know that no matter how much you try to fulfill the narcissist's needs, they'll fail to meet your own at some point. Fulfill your sense of purpose elsewhere, around people who treat others respectfully. Remember that being respectful doesn't mean agreeing with everything they say. It just means being willing to listen. Never allow a narcissist to treat you with disrespect. They'll never stop doing it once they realize they can. You must be self-assured and confident in who you are and how you handle your life. A narcissist may get under your skin and bother you, but the longer you allow them to treat you poorly, the worse they'll treat you. Remember to follow these steps so you can live a better life with them. If you are enjoying this video, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more related content. Make sure you watch this fantastic video over here.